Hey everyone! Today we'll show you how to use MAPOG's Split Polygon by Line tool. Let's dive in. First, head over to story.mapog.com and open your existing map or create a new one. Give it a proper name and description. For this demo, I've added a land parcel that I want to split using a road line. Now, go to the left panel, click on Process Data, and select the Split Polygon by Line tool. Select the layer you want to split from the drop-down menu. Draw a line over the active map for dividing the polygon into desired parts. You can save the file as a new layer, or you can update the existing file. Hit Submit, and MAPOG will divide the polygon along the selected line. Watch the split happen instantly. Click Style Layer under the Action button to adjust colors, opacity, and borders for clarity. That's it. Whether you're working on land use planning, zoning maps, or infrastructure projects, this tool makes polygon splitting effortless. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more MAPOG tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments or email us at support@mapog.com. Happy mapping!